how to send voice messages via WhatsApp's View Once feature. Want to send a voice note on WhatsApp that disappears after it's heard? WhatsApp's View Once feature can make it possible. WhatsApp's View Once feature has been an innovative feature that values privacy by enabling users to send photos and videos to others that can only be viewed by the recipient once. Initially, this feature was introduced for sharing videos and photos via WhatsApp. Sharing media via this feature makes the message disappear from a chat after the recipient has opened them once, adding more privacy to your photos and videos. However, this feature isn't limited to only photos and videos, as you can now also send voice messages with View Once. Here's a step-by-step guide that you can follow to share voice messages using WhatsApp's View Once feature. Open an individual or group chat. Tap the microphone. Swipe up to lock the recording. Tap and hold record. Tap the View Once icon. When this icon turns green, you're in View Once mode. Now tap send. If the recipient has read receipts enabled, you'll see an open receipt in the chat when they've opened your View Once voice message. Note that the recipient must also have the latest version of WhatsApp to receive disappearing voice messages. This feature is available for both Android and iOS users.